Hello traders, if you are looking for a game-changing tool to help you identify key support and resistance levels with precision, then you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving into the Fibo Channel Indicator for MT4. It's an essential indicator that automatically calculates Fibonacci levels and plots them on your chart. All right, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this indicator to improve your technical analysis, spot breakouts, and refine your trade entries and exits. Okay, so stick around, and if you find this valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful forex strategies. Now let us get right into it. I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. Okay. All right. So now the Fibo Channels Indicator is a technical analysis tool that plots Fibonacci based channels on your chart, as you can see right here. Now these channels are extremely useful because they help traders identify support and resistance zones, which are critical in making informed trading decisions. Okay, this indicator automatically draws the Fibonacci retracement levels, as you can see, based on price movements, making it easier to identify trend reversals, breakout points, and high probability trade setups. Okay, so you can see that the indicator displays 6 Fibonacci levels. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, the 0 in blue, the 23.6 in medium orchid, the 38.2 in sea green, the 50 in black, the 61.8 in red, and the 100 in sienna. So you can see that the different percentage levels are displayed in different colors for easy identification. Each of these levels play an important role in determining potential market reactions. Now let us talk about how to actually use this indicator in your trading strategy. The first step is identifying market trends. Okay, when price is bouncing between the Fibonacci levels, traders can use these zones as support and resistance areas to confirm, or rather to determine, potential reversal points. Okay, the second step is trading breakouts. One of the best ways to use the Fibo Channels Indicator is to trade breakouts of key Fibonacci levels. Okay, so if the price breaks above a Fibonacci level, for example, let us see, we can see that we had a resistance around here. Let's just okay, let's go back a bit. Now we can see that we had a breakout from this level, right? So after that breakout, you can see it was a good opportunity to enter a buy, and you can see that the price went up all the way to this level. Okay, so when that breakout happens, a signal to go long. But if a price breaks below a Fibonacci support, like this one that happened here, it was a signal to go short. Okay, the third step is setting your stop loss and take profit. For a buy trade, you can place your stop loss below the previous Fibonacci support level, and you can set your take profit at the next resistance level. Okay, for a sell trade, you can place your stop loss above the previous Fibonacci resistance level, and you can target the next support level for profit, right? For your take profit. Okay, so basically it's as easy as that. Now, one great thing about the Fibo Channels Indicator is that it works across all time frames. However, different trading styles may require different time frames, right? So obviously, if you are a swing trader, you will be targeting higher time frames, right? Maybe 1 hour, 4 hours, daily charts, those are best for swing traders and position traders who are looking for long-term stability. Now, when using time frames, of course, signals tend to be more reliable and less noisy. On the other hand, lower time frames like the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, they are ideal for scalpers and day traders, right? And they allow traders to buy and sell within support and resistance levels more frequently, because of course you will be expecting more signals on the lower time frames compared to the higher time frames. Okay, however, the higher the time frame, the stronger the signals. Okay, so no matter your style, your trading style, this indicator can help you fine-tune your market entries and exits with confidence. All right, but ensure that you always employ good risk management, because it is very important if you want to be a successful trader. So ensure you observe good risk management and do not make the mistake of trading with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, that is a very dangerous mistake. And do not use borrowed funds. All right, do not use borrowed funds to trade. It's too risky. And do not try to risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, now the Fibonacci channels indicator is quite an effective tool and could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit, especially if you are a fan of Fibonacci trading. If you are the kind of trader that likes Fibonacci, you like the Fibonacci method, Fibonacci retracement and all of that, then this indicator could be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Now, whether you are familiar with Fibonacci or not, based on what we just talked about right now in this video concerning this indicator, you can see that the indicator is quite easy to use because it already helps you identify your key levels automatically. You don't have to plot the indicators levels by yourself. The indicator is going to identify these key levels, support and resistance levels automatically for you. Okay, so whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator can significantly improve your technical analysis and trade accuracy. So let me know in the comments, do you already use Fibonacci tools in your trading? If not, are you going to try this one out? Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another powerful trading strategy. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.